So Agile Premium Finance is a premium finance company that works with insurance agencies across the United States. We are a brand new finance company in the industry. Started our operations in 2017 and have grown significantly. Right now we have over 40,000 active accounts, have booked somewhere in the range of 200,000 plus accounts over the last 4+ years. From day one of the initial launch all the way through today, it's been a seamless process. As we've continued to grow from a very small premium finance company in our initial year to where we're at today with the number of loans and transactions, it was a seamless process for all of our team. So to learn it, to understand it, simplicity of getting into their system, to be able to avoid transactions, batch up transactions for reconciliation purposes from our accounting team, it was an extremely easy process across the board. We've been offering digital payments since day one. We spent a tremendous amount of time researching the different options through our finance software company. So we actually interviewed 3 different companies and ultimately decided on working with ePayPolicy. The biggest decision for us to move forward with ePay was the ease of the payment process, the platform that they had, the integration with our software. So digital payments were always going to be an option for us. Most finance companies have moved to the digital environment, from electronic payments years ago. So it was now finding a partnership with a company that actually integrated seamlessly with our software. A lot of the other offerings were extremely complex to understand how we were going to get billed and how we were going to get charged. It was a laundry list of transactional charges. The nice thing with ePay, it was a cut and dry, here's your cost per transaction for both ACHs and credit cards. So we didn't have to sit there and try and calculate out what our overall net impact was going to be to our bottom line. We basically take 3 different types of payments, ACH transactionals, we take credit card payments, and then obviously we have some individual customers that still send checks to us. From a ACH and a credit card transaction standpoint, it's been seamless for our team and also for our insureds. Their ability to log into the software, set up recurring payments with our system, and be able to handle that with ePay, to be able to take multiple different payments for individual loans. We've been able to work with ePay to allow that to happen through their back-end platform. We've actually interacted with ePay's management team early on with different enhancements to their software platform, whether it's batch processing, reporting. The ease to be able to walk through a customer and be able to take that payment is critical for us. ePay makes it very simple, easy to read screens, ability to make payments on their mobile phones as well, from the most sophisticated customer to some of the individuals that call us on the road from their trucks trying to make a payment at a truck stop, and we've been able to walk it through. So ePayPolicy is definitely one of the easiest companies to work with from an integration standpoint. We've worked with ePayPolicy on having both integrated and non-integrated portals to allow us to basically take electronic payments from our agencies, carriers, and general agencies as well, which was not an option previously. So that's helped us out, especially in the day of age that we're living in today with COVID, remote workers. It's been a huge impact for us. That ability to ensure that when those payments were being taken actually enhanced our operations tremendously.